A warm welcome to BILTON and to the discovery of the simplicity of LED light management. These are the guidelines to the 4-channel LED dimmer steel switch, used to dim and switch white light. Firstly, remove the side cover, and in doing so, you free the terminal clips. You can now attach the LED module on the right-hand side, on the first terminal to the plus and on the second the minus. For more power, connect channel 1 to 4 with one another. On the left, you connect the 24-volt or 12-volt power supply. Once again, the plus side on the first terminal and the minus on the second terminal. Now attach the switch to terminal 4 and you are finished. Now replace the side panel and tighten this using the enclosed screws, and off you go. By briefly pressing the switch, you can turn the LED on and off. By holding the switch down longer, you can dim up and down.